everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. We are talking about the new telenovela that will be starting today on the 19th of July 2021. It is a replacement of Rhythm City. Guys, Vusikunene, who is known for cold-hearted gangster Jack Mabaso on Generation The Legacy, will be playing a leading role of a fashion designer boss Funani Zwide on House of Zwide. We are certain guys that he will indeed deliver and nail this character as usual. When he had an interview with TV Plus magazine, he gave the details of his character. He is not just a fashion designer, but he lives and breathes the craft. He constantly pushes himself and his employees, which is the reason behind his successful fashion empire. With Funani and the team preparing for Fashion Week, the stakes are high and everyone puts their foot forward, but there is a secret looming which is threatening to destroy all that Funani has worked tirelessly to build. Each move that Funani made since he was a teen was aimed at growing his name and in the fashion industry. Rather than following his heart, he married an affluent businesswoman who was from the wealthy family to climb the social media rank. Unfortunately, the wife died in a tragic incident that will unravel as the show develops. Soon after, the widower Funani dated the former model Faith, portrayed by Winnie Chaba Mamgadi on local drama show The Head, and Katie were on The Old Generations. Together, they share a blended family that includes two adult kids, charming oldest son Nkosi, portrayed by Wanda Zuma, Detective Mtaga on Isibai, influencer daughter Zanele, portrayed by Londega Mchunu, Snare on Isetembiso. His kids, guys, are his pride and joy. He will do anything to protect them and ensure they continue with his legacy and name. Guys, this is the background of the story. Jack Mabaso and Mamgadi's combination promises a lot of drama. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion about this new coming telenovela. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.